Presentation is extensive, well documented, and clearly outlines the prolonged suffering and injustice faced by the retired DTC employees due to the delay and denial of pensions. Here's a polished and formally formatted Tarankan cover letter version of your representation that can be submitted to the Honorable Chief Minister for clarity and legal decorum. Yojak Chinh. Caring Hands Social Welfare Society Tarankan. Registered under Societies Registration Act 21 of 1860. Tarankan Registration No Tarankan S 64261 2008. Ref. No. LN 0206 2025. Tarankan Date Tarankan the 20th of May 2025. Tarankan to Tarankan. Mrs. Rekha G. Honorable Chief Minister. Government of NCT of Delhi. Email cmdelhi@nic.in. Mail to cmdelhi@nic.in. Tarankan Subject Tarankan Urgent Representation on behalf of approx. 21,000 retired employees of DTC seeking immediate release of pending pensions. Tarankan Respected Madam Tarankan. I, Ritu Munjal, Advocate and Chairperson of Caring Hands Social Welfare Society, humbly submit this representation on behalf of approximately 21,000 retired employees of Delhi Transport Corporation (DTC) who are facing severe financial and emotional hardship due to the non-disbursement of their entitled pension. These retirees, aged between 60 to 80 years, many of whom are suffering from chronic health issues and living without proper shelter or food, are victims of systemic delay, negligence, and, in some cases, willful denial of rightful benefits. Despite fulfilling the required service and opting under the Voluntary Retirement Scheme (VRS) in 1993 under the provisions of Office Order No. 16 dated the 27th of November 1992 and several favorable court judgments including by the Honorable Supreme Court and High Court of Delhi, the DTC continues to deny pensions unjustly. Repeated representations have been made by the society and affected individuals since 2012 to the DTC, Transport Ministry, and even your esteemed office. However, despite multiple government memorandums and the recommendations of the SYAL Committee 2006 which affirmed the rights of such retirees, no substantial relief has been provided. The letter outlines detailed chronology of pension orders and violations. Neglect and violation of binding court decisions including LPA No. 33, 1998 and LPA No. 227, 2007. Malpractices within DTC, including misclassification of living employees as deceased. Violation of constitutional rights under Articles 14, 16, and 21. Non-implementation of the DTC Board and GNCTDS 2022 and 2023 decisions for pension disbursal. We have annexed a list of 285 retired DTC employees with their detailed records, Annexure A, many of whom have been declared ineligible or deceased without any due diligence. Their grievances remain unresolved and the suffering continues. Tarankan Prayer, Tarankan. In light of the above, we respectfully request 1. Immediate release of pending pension and arrears to all eligible retired DTC employees. 2. Monthly pension payments without further delay. 3. An independent investigation into the actions of DTC officials who misled courts, violated orders, and engaged in administrative fraud. 4. Registration of FIRs against responsible parties for contempt, perjury, and dereliction of duty. 5. Compensation with interest as directed in earlier court orders. Chair. Regular monitoring of pension disbursal as per Chief Secretary's 2022 Office Memorandum. We place our trust in your compassionate leadership and administrative resolve to ensure justice for thousands of senior citizens who serve Delhi with dignity. Thanking you in anticipation. Tarankan with utmost regard, Tarankan. Tarankan Ritu Munjal Tarankan. Chairperson or Advocate. Tarankan Caring Hands Social Welfare Society Tarankan. Chair number 413, Dwarka Courts, Sec 10, Dwarka, New Delhi 1,10,075. Email, advocateretumunjal@gmail.com. Mail to, advocateretumunjal@gmail.com. Mob, 9 अरब 81 करोड़ 82 लाख 9,001 बटा 9 अरब 21 करोड़ 20 लाख 9,001. Res. Ad. H. Number 129, ABLOCKB, Sec. C. Bhagwati Vihar, Uttam Nagar, New Delhi 1,10,059.